Hello, Alabama Gulf Coast. This is Scott Blair, owner of 2U Tire of Alabama. Troy, our operations manager, is here on site setting up to do a tire installation at a lady's business. Now, here's the situation and how our business is so unique and helps you be able to stay on top of everything you got to do in your life. She had a flat on her personal car, and then the spare donut went flat. So this is actually her father's car, and we were already going to put tires on this car today, but she needed it. So she went and picked up the car and has brought it here to her work, and we've literally pulled into the back side of the building and have lifted the vehicle up with our airbags and other jacks. We're going to dismount and mount a set of B.F. Goodrich tires and balance brand new tires right here while she's inside at work and her dad is driving the other vehicle. So here along the Alabama Gulf Coast, if you need tires for your vehicle or a rotate and balance, maybe you've got a little vibration that just won't go away, or your tire pressure sensors may have aged out and possibly died and need to be replaced or relearned, we can handle that at your home or your office or even at the playground if that's where you need us. Right now, through October 4th, 2022, Michelin is offering a $70 rebate on the purchase of 4 tires. Reach out to us at 251-415-5500 or log on to 2utireal.com. That's the number 2, letter U, tireal.com.